For all the latest updates, subscribe to News 9. President Donald Trump urged governors to reopen states even as COVID-19 cases continue to surge in the United States. Trump asked governors to ease lockdown restrictions imposed to contain the virus. However, several officials of the Trump administration want some states to reverse reopening. Donald Trump sounded optimistic and pinned hope on the testing of vaccine.
I really do believe that governors of states that are not opening should reopen. The rapid development of vaccine and therapeutics to treat coronavirus patients would help spur economic activities. I think the recovery has been very strong.
Trump has not mentioned the names of the states to reopen. Trump has been facing criticism over his lackadaisical approach in handling COVID-19. His priority for pushing economic activities over public health emergency has riled many. Trump has been downplaying the enormity of the crisis grappling the country.
We do more coronavirus testing than any country in the world. We have conducted over 55 million tests so far. Fake news media has been targeting us, but even if we conduct 100 times more tests, they would still blame us. They are totally discredited and just want sleepy Joe Biden to win presidential election in November.
The United States continued to remain the worst affected country in the world due to COVID-19. According to Johns Hopkins University website, the United States reported over 148,200 COVID-19 deaths and more than 4.29 million infections. The White House advisor and scientist Dr. Anthony Fauci said bars and indoor restaurants should be closed in states witnessing huge spike in COVID-19 cases. Democratic presidential nominee Joe Biden has lashed out at Donald Trump over handling of coronavirus pandemic.
The development of a new vaccine requires a dedication to science, coordination, transparency, truth, and fairness to all. And we have a president who stands for none of these things.
Joe Biden said Trump has failed to give direction to the US in its fight against the virus. He said people should unite to throw Donald Trump out of the White House.
Folks, we have just 100 days until Election Day. Now more than ever, we have to do everything we can to make Donald Trump a one-term president. In 100 days, we have the chance to set our nation on a new path, one where we finally live up to our highest ideals and everyone has a fair shot at success.
With elections fast approaching, Donald Trump is desperate for development of coronavirus vaccine. Trump plans to project the development of vaccine as a great achievement before the electorate. Vice President Mike Pence assured that any coronavirus vaccine that enters market will be safe.